Do you love music but feel stuck as just a listener, wondering how to take that first step to create something of your own? You're not alone. A lot of people dream of making music but don't know where to begin, especially if they have zero experience. Over the years, I've learned music and music creation and have been able to create songs I'm proud of. Now, I help total beginners just like you go from having no musical background to creating their own tracks from scratch. To help you get started, I've created a free guide called From Listener to Music Maker, a beginner's music mindset shift. It's designed to help you realize that you're more capable of making music than you think and gives you the confidence to take your first step. Ready to stop overthinking and start creating? Join my community, the Creative Music Maker Circle, where we turn your music ideas into reality with beginner-friendly guidance and support. Click the link below to grab your free guide and take the first step toward becoming a music maker.